Hi viewers, XDC network price prediction update forecast, latest technical analysis chart, investors why confused after huge bullish pumping, price drop decreasing 6.20% last 24 hours bullish zone. XDC network more drop decreasing and reach 0.042055 bullish zone. Overbought position, price comeback, reversal, started uptrend momentum. Technical indicator current sentiment is bullish. Fear and greed index 54, green days 48%, price volatility XDC network 13%, 24. Technical analysis indicators signaling is bullish signals and 10 signaling is bearish signals. 24-hour trading volume 20.70 million, market cap 625 million, market dominance 0.07%, current circulating supply 12.25 billion, out of supply 37 billion, support levels 0.046753, 0.042055 and 0.038979. Resistance levels 0.056527, 0.060832 and 0.065315. Currently, RSI relative strength index momentum value 85, overbought position price will increase more based on XDC forecast. Currently, some selling pressure down decreasing. Overall, technical indicator sentiment is bullish. Currently, good investment, hold, profitable. XDC network. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel for more latest videos, update forecasts. Goodbye.